shut it down, you be the baddest girl around.
Get off my mirror, y'all. See, I went to Lowe's and ordered this frameless mirror to do my vanity mirror. So we about to do a DIY project. This is the size that I got. I'll put all of the information from this mirror in the description box, but it's just a frameless mirror. And then I ordered these lights off of Amazon, and these are the Vanity Lights. So we're about to do a DIY project, and we're gonna see how this gonna go. They come like this. Again, I got these from Amazon, and this is what they look like. They're just, I kind of already had opened it to see. And then they also come with some extra adhesives for the back of them right here. Go. Don't you go across my mirror. So I've taken all of the things off. What I do know is that you want this part to be at the very end of your mirror. Move, boy. Go away. Cause Lord, he just want to be in my way, clearly. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take the camera and kind of show y'all what it looked like. So this is what it looks like once you've put all of your lights in place. Now let's see if we can stick them in place. Okay, I think they are where I want them. I mean, I also don't want to put them too close to the edge. And remember, I told y'all this part is the part you want to be able to hang down on the side. So when you hang your lights, your cord, because your lights come with a adapter as well. This. And this hooks into this. So you want to make sure that this is always down. So put y'all right here. Look, y'all. He acting like he want to be good right now because he done got busted. I'm taking the wire and I'm kind of wrapping it around the bulb a little bit. All right, here we go. See this wire? I'm gonna take it and wrap it like that, so that when I tape this behind the mirror, it's not that much wire showing. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna take the wire right here and I'm gonna wrap it like that, just like that. And I'm gonna do it for each and every one, so that again, when I get ready to tape the wires behind the mirror, there isn't a whole lot of wire left out. What? Y'all, come get somebody. Chica, come get your nephew. Same thing with this one. See how much wire this is? I'm gonna wrap it and put the ball back. So when I, yeah. Same thing with this last one. I'm gonna take the wire, wrap it around the ball, and put it right there. Well, I don't think I'm gonna wrap this one too much because move, Jet. Jesus, son. again, the wire, wrap it a couple times. There. I could wrap that one time. Okay. And I think it's time for me to start taking the things off. Every time I do, he get in the way. So this is how it looks, y'all. Before I tape them, of course I'm gonna still rearrange them some, but that's how it looks. I went ahead and put my lights on the mirror. All I did was took the stickies off and kind of put them, you know, place my lights there. So y'all see this piece of cord right here? That cord. All I'm gonna do is take it and put it behind the mirror, like that. You still gonna be able to see some cord like right here, but that's okay. That's not. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start taping this cord behind. So I'm gonna flip my mirror out like this. That way y'all can kind of see. You can see what I'm doing better if I have it flipped out. So I just had my scissors. He's laying on them. Y'all, my dog is. Get you some scissors. Cut you a little piece of tape, however much you feel like you need. And all you're gonna do is just tape. You're gonna take that cord. So you're gonna take the cord, and see, I probably should have put more cord, but. And all you're gonna do is take it. You don't want to tape, because okay. And you're just gonna tape it. Y'all see how I did that? I just took it and I just taped. I just taped it back there like that. I'm gonna do the same thing with the next wire. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna pull it back there, and I'm gonna tape it. Let me tape the wires to this, and then I'll be back. Hope y'all like my vanity mirror. Again, I'll put everything that I used to do this mirror down in the description box, if it will focus. Jet clearly likes it. Look at him. He like it, apparently. What's he looking at me? You like that mirror? Huh? You like the mirror? Yes? Does that mean yes? Yep. Yeah, mommy. Me like a mirror, mommy. Me like the mirror. Me like it. So yeah, that's my vanity mirror. And again, your cords will show. If you don't want these cords to show, then you might want to invest in the real Hollywood vanity set, because DIY is trial and error. I tried to line my lights up perfectly. I know this one right here is a little bit higher up, but for the most part, I think it looked good. I mean, I did it myself, so it ain't gonna be professional, but that's my vanity mirror, guys. And I'm very freaking proud of it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Everything about this vanity and any of my DIY stuff I'm doing is gonna be down in my description box. This is gonna be my beauty room, so stay tuned, because right now, this is the before. Y'all get to see. Don't worry about that Xbox, okay? I used to be a beast on that. Don't even worry about it. But this is my beauty room. What's gonna be my beauty room. All right, so stay tuned for my next DIY project, y'all. So yeah, y'all, this is my vanity. I got the desk and the mirror both from Lowe's. So again, everything that I used in this project will be down in my description box. I hope you all like it. And yeah. This is my vanity. Everything will be down in my description box.